So we keep getting asked, how do you properly clean an e-bike? Now, in this video we're going to show you the basic steps on how to clean an e-bike safely, and also this is really important when keeping up with the maintenance of your bike. So what you're going to need is some good cleaner. This one is Motor Verde, we sell this in the store, and this is a really good option for cleaning your bike. You're going to need a plastic bag, so something that's waterproof, a cable tie and a wire brush. First steps first, what we need to do is remove the battery. Now this is the thing that you don't really want to be getting wet. So we always take turn the breaker off first, take your plugs off your battery, and we'll slide that out. Then what you need to do is, you need to get your waterproof bag, slide it over your power cables, and just secure it in place with a zip tie, just so we're not getting any water into them parts of the plug. You can put that down there, shut the lid. Right, next step, we always go ahead and use some cleaner first. So the cleaner is, this particular cleaner, it's a salt-free cleaner, it's safe to use over the full bike. So we'll start by just spraying it around all the main areas of the bike, just nice and brief. I can also move the wheel around, making sure we get it all nice and evenly on the chain and sprocket. Like so, and then we'll get it all into the mudguard areas where there's plenty of mud build up. So what we'll do with that is we'll let that sit and soak into the bike for a few minutes. Whilst we're doing that, get the wire brush and just go around your chain, give that a good clean. You can also do your sprocket as well whilst you're there. So now it's time to wash off the bike cleaner with a jet wash. Now, people get really apprehensive about this and think that you can't use a jet wash on an e-bike. You can. Just make sure you don't put the water pressure too close to the bike. Have it on like a bit of a wide angle setting and just use it to clean the bike down gently. So what we'll do now is we'll just go back around the bike again, just spraying a little bit more cleaner on there, just making sure all the grime and dirt is off the bike, focusing on the really dirty parts like your hubs and your sprocket. Make sure you turn the wheel around to get all points that you can't access from below. We can now get the bike rinsed off for one final time. So that's the bike all clean. Now we're going to take it into the workshop and blow it off with an airline. So now you can see we're now inside and we've got an airline to hand. So we're going to get all the excess water out of the nooks and crannies in the bike where it can't just normally air dry. So the next important step for overall bike maintenance is to lube the chain. We use this in particular, which is a Butylene DX11 chain spray. So what to do when your bike's on a stand is just spin the back wheel and spray the chain nice and evenly whilst moving your wheel around. Make sure this does not spray onto the brake disc, because obviously that will impair the ability for the bike to stop. And that's it. If you'd like to request any more videos for us to do at Go Off-Road, or you'd like your e-bike servicing or repairing, then please get in contact or view the website.